How to add friends on Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends on Clubhouse, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Clubhouse account just like I've done here. Then move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon. On your profiles page, ensure you select settings, and then once on your settings page, you can see different options, right? So go back, all right, to your main page. So on this main page, at the bottom part of the screen, you can see four icons. So click on the third icon, which has a human icon and a plus icon. So click on that, and then you have an option for you to add your friends here. So once you're on this stage, click on add, all right, and then as you click on add, you'll see a number of friends from your contacts displayed. So if you want to add them, click on add. If you don't want to add them, click on not now. Okay, click on add, all right, and that's where you can keep on adding and adding your friends. So these are the various ways you can add friends on Clubhouse. This is the major way, right? So go ahead to add as many friends as you can, but ensure that you've connected your Clubhouse to your contact. Thank you for watching and have a good day.